name is Madeline Gannon, and people call me the Robot Whisperer. So this is the first time I've ever visited a car factory and been surrounded by so many robots. How many machines are collaborating at the exact same time to manufacture these highly complex things, and the entire building is a robot. As an artist and as a designer and as a researcher, I want to find ways to show that robots can not only be useful, but they can be meaningful to our lives. And that's really where the arts come in.